What's up, guys? Hiking through the kind of woods near my lake, but they had to drain it due to too many lily pads in the water. So this is what it's looking like after it's drained. Barely any water anywhere except for in the deep part. It's never really been this bad when they drained it either, because there'd still be water everywhere in the lake. See all sorts of trash come up through here, but there's a lot of trash in the water that I wasn't expecting to see. There's another tire down there. I don't know if you can, you probably can't see it. There's another tire down there. Right now, just walking all the way around this lake. One thing I forgot to point out, you can see this stream going all the way up from like over there, all the way up to the middle of the lake. It's the like stream in the middle. You can see it, the water moving right there. It goes all the way to the lake. See if I can get better shots of it. Here's another shot of it as I walk around the lake. You see it's a little bit bigger than I thought. It seems that I found the source of all the water for the stream. It comes right over here. The only place over here that really has any water. See the ducks over there. The stream going all the way up through there. There's a local bench here. Loved. Couple smiley faces on it. You know, kind of reminds me of the beach with this drained look. Like maybe either like the Sound from North Carolina, or just like a still beach. I don't know what it is. It's an update. Found this box. It's in a part of the lake where it was drained, so assuming it was underwater. Can't get it open, but I can see inside of it. Doesn't really look like there's anything in there. Still kind of weird. Just heard a noise. Update. I am also a dumbass. I didn't see the line of boxes down there, so they're probably not someone's, they're probably the lake's. A nice reflection of the water here in this little clearing. It's kind of just nice. So right here, you can see this kind of like a wood plank in like the water. Not really sure if that's too important, but also the path right here leads around the lake, but I've never really been back this path, so I'm gonna check it out. I thought I heard of this path before, but it does lead to a neighboring neighborhood. It's also, I never really knew that there was like a tree house back here. It's pretty cool. It's just off the path. I don't know when the last time it was used. Like a little pulley rope thing. It's pretty neat. There's a drain over there for the lake. You can see like the rocks. Like all the white stuff was underwater. That's how much they drained it by. Also see like all the tires and shit that people are throwing there. You can see where it drains off to. It's a nice view up here. I've always liked this side of the lake more. Probably because it's a little steeper. It feels more like a cliff. And yet you still get such a good view. It's pretty nice.